Jason Rozinka here. I'm an RN here in Duluth, Minnesota. It's April 3rd, 2020. So we are trying to ration and reuse our N-95 masks, unfortunately, like a lot of other people are in this country and around the world. So what they've been telling us to do is we're reusing this up to 5 times, and we're supposed to store these in this brown paper bag, which is kind of difficult to not contaminate the whole entire mask if you're just throwing it in a brown paper bag. So this is what I've been doing. I've seen some videos on this and kind of have my own take on it. I'm going to show you how to make this. So what I did is I kind of looked around and had to get the right size container, and you know, this is the size that I'm using right now. This is made by Ziploc, and it was, I think, $2.97 for a 3-pack. And this is a 5-cup, 1180 milliliter, and it's the perfect size for what I need to do. So first of all, you want to, like a brown paper bag, there's some breathability in there so your mask has a chance to dry out. So all I do is I'm just going to drill 4 holes in the top. Really easy. And then in between uses too, with this, you know, with the container too, you can clean the inside too, which obviously I recommend. You never can be too clean. So using some wipes in here, or even a cleaning solution, filling it up, cleaning it, letting it dry. So this is the end product here. So your straps are going to be on the back like that. So when you go to put your mask on, you're not going to be touching the mask at all. All you're going to be touching is the straps. Kind of looks like that, and it doesn't touch the bottom, it's just kind of hanging there. So then you can just put this up to your face like you normally put it on. So the top first, and then the bottom, and your mask is on. And then same thing when you're taking it off. When you take it off first, you're going to go bottom first, and then you can hold that strap with that other hand, just like that. So when you do sanitize, make sure that you're cleaning the bottom and the lid, and then you can just put this on. And then we'll be able to store this at work, and we'll have our name. You can put your name, you know, it should be on your mask, and you can put your name on a container too. All right, guys? Stay safe out there, guys.